One of the most important concepts in Front is the difference between shared inboxes and individual inboxes. If your team is used to Gmail or Outlook shared inboxes or distribution lists, Front replaces those with a more collaborative system. Front's inboxes are where your team works together in real time. The inboxes may be tied to group addresses like support at or billing at. But instead of messages being forwarded around or owned by one person, everyone with access can see the conversation, collaborate internally, and jump in to help. This keeps conversations from getting lost and ensures your team stays aligned. Individual inboxes, on the other hand, work more like traditional email. They're tied to your personal address and are used for one-to-one conversations that don't require team visibility. These conversations are private to you. In Front, you'll move between shared and individual inboxes depending on the conversation. But most customer-facing work happens in shared inboxes, where your team can collaborate. Understanding this difference helps ensure every message is handled in the right place, by the right people.